This is a super cool sunflower growing kit. It comes with everything that we needed. I just opened it up and did it with my daughter earlier. It has this biodegradable pot that it comes with, and then like some soil pods that all you have to do is simply put them in a bowl, break it up, and then you can put them in there and put your seeds in. And then this is the box that it comes in. And I was reading through it. It's really good for any teachers or parents, anybody, homeschool, anybody doing anything with kids to teach them. It's 100% guaranteed to grow, or else they'll help you out. Right? It just says 100% guaranteed. Reach out to them if you have any problems. So you and your kids don't have to worry about making mistakes. It's a really great learning tool and project for them. And I really love the packaging on this thing because it's just, you open it up and it just has so much information on the inside of these boxes. And it tells you exactly everything you need to do. Start here, what you need to do on day 1, 2 through 10, just everything. So if you're looking for a fun experiment to do with your kids or class or anybody, or even just for yourself, this is a really cool kit and I can't wait to see them start growing.